So you're standing at a grocery store checkout in Poland, and you notice something a little strange. The person in front of you doesn't pull out a leather wallet. They don't even tap their phone against the machine like you would with Apple Pay or Google Pay. Instead, they look at their phone, read a 6-digit number off the screen, and type it into the keypad where you'd normally put your credit card PIN. A second later, their phone buzzes, they tap a button, and the payment is done. It's actually a national phenomenon called biulek. While most of us were waiting for big tech companies to change how we pay for things, Poland's biggest banks decided to team up and build their own system from scratch. Today, it is so popular that almost everyone in the country uses it to replace their physical wallet. To understand why this is such a big deal, we have to look at why credit cards are actually kind of clunky. A standard credit card is what we call static. Your name, your card number, and that little security code on the back are printed right there on the plastic. If a hacker or a dishonest clerk gets those numbers once, they can usually keep using them until you notice and cancel the card. Apple and Google Pay made this better by hiding your card behind a digital shield. But those systems still require your phone to have a special chip that talks to the payment terminal. Blick is different because it doesn't care about special chips or hidden card numbers. It relies on a simple code that only exists for 2 minutes before it disappears forever. Here is exactly how the process works if you've never seen it before. When it's time to pay, you open your regular banking app and tap the BLIK button. Your app immediately gives you a unique 6-digit code. You type that code into the store's terminal or into a box on a website if you're shopping online. Once you hit enter, the store sends a message to the central BLIK system to check if that code is real. If it matches, your bank sends a notification to your phone that says something like, "Do you want to pay $20 to this coffee shop?" You check the amount, confirm it with your fingerprint or a PIN, and the money moves instantly. Because you are the only one with your phone and your bank app, you are the only one who can hit that final confirm button. This creates a massive level of security. Think about it. You never actually give the store your card number or even your name. There is nothing for a criminal to steal because the code you used is dead the moment the transaction ends. Even if someone was standing right behind you and memorized your 6-digit code, it wouldn't do them any good. By the time they tried to use it, the 2-minute timer would have run out. Plus, they wouldn't have your physical phone to authorize the payment anyway. It's basically a way of making sure that every single time you buy a sandwich, you're using a fresh one-time security key that nobody can use again. But Blick isn't just for buying groceries. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your bank account. One of the coolest things it does is allow for cardless ATM withdrawals. If you're out for a run and you realize you need some cash but you didn't bring your wallet, you can just walk up to an ATM, choose the BLIK option, and type in a code from your phone. The machine will give you the cash right then and there. It also makes splitting a bill with friends incredibly easy. You don't need to ask for their complicated bank account numbers. If they are in your phone's contacts, you just type in the amount you owe them and hit send. The money lands in their account in just a few seconds. The story of how this started is actually pretty inspiring. Back in 2015, 6 of Poland's largest banks realized that if they all tried to make their own separate payment apps, they would probably all fail. So, instead of fighting each other, these rivals sat down and agreed on a single standard that would work for everyone. Because all the big banks signed on at the same time, Blyke was everywhere from day one. It didn't matter who you banked with because the 6-digit code worked the same way for everybody. This unity is exactly why it grew faster than almost any other payment technology in the country's history. Now, in 2026, the Balik revolution is finally starting to spread outside of Poland. It is moving into other European countries like Slovakia and Romania with the goal of creating a unified system across the continent. Imagine being able to send money to a friend in a different country as easily as sending a text message, all without paying high bank fees. It's a perfect example of how a simple, clever idea can outsmart the world's biggest tech giants. It proves that you don't need fancy hardware or a $1 trillion company to modernize your life. You just need a system that is fast, safe, and easy for everyone to use.